Good morning, I am Saliya Samarawickrama. I have a very important message for everybody in this world. In the nature, the most valuable thing is sun. But in human, what is the most valuable thing? In us. Everybody knows this. This is the only secret. Our entire life depends for our good or bad. The most valuable thing in us is attention. If you lose attention, you lose everything. So, what a valuable thing that we all have got. We have got two things only in this world. Everybody has got breath. Everybody has got 24 hours equally. But our people go to bathe to the river and sea, they lose their life. Then you must understand the breath is not enough to live. We must add security by ourselves to continue our life. And for that we need attention. Second, everybody want to get until they die, they want to get something. The secret of getting is time. You have to give time for what you want. If you don't give time for what you want, you will never get. But if you give time to worry, you will get only worry. If you give time to have joy, you will get joy. If you give time to make money, you will make money. This is the secret. This is the treasure that we all have got time, 24 hours equally, even to the beggar or to the king. So you must make use of your time for your benefits. I have written 2 books for everybody to give a correct vision in their life. One is Keep Open Your Third Eye. The other book is Discover the Treasure Within You. These 2 books, once you read, your life, you will get correct vision. And I invite all of you to read these 2 books. And I have arranged an exhibition on the 27th, 28th and 29th of this month at Public Library Lobby Hall about the new life. I invite all of you to view this exhibition and open your third eye and to discover your treasure. I want to tell you very important thing about love. In my book, Keep Open Your Third Eye, it explains about love. Shakespeare told, love is blind. I told, desire is blind. In love, we have 2 sides. One side is blind, other side is transparent. Love is beautiful, beauty is not love. Love has no greed, no anger at all. Love is sacrifice. In any change of love, if sacrifice not change, then there is love. We can't possess love because we belong to love. We have love, joy and truth. We can't touch with our hand. Anything that we can't touch with our hand, we have inside everything. Things that we can touch with hand, we have to find from outside. As we have inside love and joy and truth, we have to give. When we give, only we get. Give love to get love, live to love to live. Thank you very much.